Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video, I am bringing you another guesses, and you guessed it right. It's another backdrop, and I am really excited to share this one with you. It is very affordable. You don't have to be the craftiest person on earth. You can do it really easily. And if you want to see what I'm using, how I'm doing this, stay tuned and let's get to it. To start with this backdrop, I need 3 big pieces of cardboard. I drew out a moon already, as you can see, and the size of my moon or of your moon will depend on a size of your backdrop. I kind of eyeballed it and see how big of a moon I want, so measure it out, eyeball it, and then decide how many pieces of cardboard you need for your moon. Let's cut this moon and go to the next step. My moon is ready and it's looking good. Now I need to flip my moon the other direction and glue strips of cardboard over the seams that you see here to make sure moon is in one piece and it's gonna hold really good. So let's glue our moon together and we're gonna get to the next. This is what I have for you guys today. Very easy, very fast, very affordable. I love what is going on here. I use my LED lights in the back to bring this blue color out. Also, I attached all of my stars on a pin with a pearl on top. I used just a regular construction paper to cut out all of these stars. Also, this balloon cloud, I will link DIY for this video in the description down below. And lights, I will link them in the description below as well. What I would suggest is to use spray paint for your moon. It would be a lot faster to cover all that, and it will dry faster as well. I used paint and it took me quite some time to cover this whole surface of this moon, and use more than one coat of paint, because if you come up close you can see that cardboard is shining through and you can still see my drawings with pen. So use more than one layers of paint, and I like what I see, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. In the comments down below, you guys, let me know if you have any questions about this backdrop. Let me know what you think about this backdrop, and if you enjoyed this backdrop, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more enjoyable videos. All right, you guys, I will see you back very soon. Bye-bye.